Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a calligraphy business. My name is Mary and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your calligraphy business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. If you've ever gotten compliments on your handwriting or dabbled in calligraphy as a hobby, now might be the time to hone your skills and start telling your friends and family you're taking orders. When you first start out, you should set aside some money for supplies such as nibs, ink, and paper, or you can purchase starter kits from well-known calligraphers. If you're new to calligraphy but have a natural talent for cursive, start by taking an introductory class taught by a local pro. Kits for practicing at home are usually provided with classes. A home calligraphy business is simple and adaptable to your working schedule. Simply add beautiful and styled hand lettering to products that will sell to customers. You can compile a list of basic items to sell, such as framed poems and greeting cards. However, one way that calligraphers can supplement their income is by developing customized products such as personalized greeting cards, invitation to a wedding, certificates, restaurant menus, placement cards. When used to create one-of-a-kind handwritten wedding and event invitations, restaurant menus, gift basket cards, high-end product labels, business cards, award certificates, thank you cards, stationery, and logo designs, calligraphy can also pay you well. After you've established a business structure for your company, you'll need to devise a marketing strategy. There are three major factors to consider. 1. Determine your target markets, such as wedding planners, schools, and churches. 2. Determine your prices. To do so, you must first identify your competitors. Price your work at or slightly below your competitors' output. Too low, and people will undoubtedly think your work is inferior. Too high, and you will not attract business as a newcomer to the area. 3. Develop an outreach strategy. How will people learn about the service you provide? Make sure your plan does not cost too much in terms of both time and money, or you will be out of business before you even begin. You want to learn everything you can about record keeping, marketing, and promotion as you build your calligraphy business. To go the distance and work hard, you must have self-discipline. Consider the payment methods you'll accept. Establish a business bank account. Make examples of your work so that the general public understands what you do and what you are good at. Don't show up for work that you don't want to do. Show only wedding invitations if that's all you want to do. Create a website and begin sharing your work on social media. You will have to collaborate with others. Possess strong interpersonal skills. Treat them with the utmost respect. Prepare to ask as many questions as you need to in order to fully understand the job you'll be doing for them. Make a thorough contract that covers everything, and don't start any work until they have reviewed and signed off on it. Be a professional at all levels, not a hobbyist in arts and crafts. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a calligraphy business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.